They probably told you that your relationship was over and that you're never going to get back together, but they're lying. Or maybe they think that this is the case, but they couldn't be more wrong. And guess what? If you play your cards right, you can easily get them to fall in love with you again, and they won't ever have any idea what happened. Once you've learned how to control their mind, you can get them to do anything you want them to. But you need to follow my instructions exactly. If you had already done what I'm about to show you right now last month, the two of you would be together right now. Now, let's talk about why I know that they're not over you. The first reason is simply because of the fact that they were attracted to you in the first place. Although they may think that the attraction is no longer there, it has only temporarily subsided and will return once you've started the process that I'll show you. I'll show you the right magic buttons that you can press, which will implant the seeds into their subconscious and will make them obsess over you. The next reason that I know that they're not over you is because the both of you share many memories together. The two of you have developed a bond with each other. You've had intimate conversations, shared inside jokes, have shared many things that you've never told anyone else. Because you've shared these experiences and memories, it allows you to once again trigger them. We'll talk about how to do that later. And the last reason that I know that there is no way that they're over you is because the two of you are comfortable with each other. They liked who you were, and they're comfortable enough to be with you. Once you know how to use this to your advantage, it will be easy to get them to call you. They won't know what I want to share with you the next step in the process. In this process, I will explain to you the psychology of winning your ex back again. Make sure to go and check it out now though, because if you aren't doing what you're supposed to be doing at this stage of your breakup right now, it may blow any chance you have of getting back together. Click the link below to get to the next step.